Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I'm going to try a blow dryer pour on a bigger canvas. It's 11 by 14, kind of like the Dutch pour, and see if I can do it. I don't know if I have enough paint. This white paint I mixed up may be too thick. Let's see what happens. It didn't pour out as thin as my super thin paint that I've been using, so kind of worried me. I thought maybe I better thin it some more. So, get rid of those at least. I'm using Purple Iris by Apple Barrel. I have Liquitex Basics Cad Yellow Deep Hue, or Light Hue. I have some magenta. I have some Craft Smart. That is the, no, I don't think I'm going to use that green. I'm not going to use that green. I'm going to use the purple, the magenta, and the yellow. And I don't have much of that either. See what happens. And just see what happens. Oops. I almost flipped that right out on the floor. Maybe I'll put some of this back here and up here. I need to use up this stuff. I gotta get it out of here. Wonder how this is gonna turn out. I have not had the best of luck today. Sometimes we have those kind of days. Blow dryer coming on. I'll mute this part. I think I'm gonna leave it like that, even though it's kind of lopsided. Take a stick and straighten this out on this negative space. See if I can get it to look good. It looks pretty. I feel like if I blow it anymore, I'm really gonna mess it up. So, I will take the camera down and give you a close-up. Okay, this is how it turned out. It looks pretty. I just have that one corner that's really not covered. But I hope that white levels itself out when it's drying. I do think it turned out pretty. pretty happy with this one, I think. I think it'll be all right for that corner to be empty. Have some negative space. I hope so. I don't know what to do about that. I don't want to shift it. I don't want to try tilting it or anything because I like it the way it is. So, let me know what y'all think. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Go have some fun of some kind. It's always nice to have fun. Bye-bye.